Hei alle sammen. Hello everyone. Today we will talk about numbers in Norwegian from 1 to 10. En, en, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6, 6, 7, 7, 7, 7, 8, 8, 8, 8, 9, 9, 9, 9, 10, 10, 10, 10. Do remember that it is common in Norway to pronounce the number 7, that we pronounce it syv, and it's also common to pronounce 7 by saying sju, sju, sju. When we want to say 0, we say null, null, null. So now that we know the numbers, we can read things like telephone numbers in Norwegian. Let us look at how to read the Norwegian language schools our telephone number. So we say 9, 0, 8, 1, 4, 7, 5, 6. Let's read one more time. 9, 0, 8, 1, 4, 7, 5, 6. It is common in Norway to read double digits when you read telephone numbers. So this is something you have to pay attention to. So for example, we read again the Norwegian language school's telephone number, but here we have changed to 14, 14, 14. That's one way of reading it. Instead of reading en, 4, 4. So then the number will be 9, 0, 8, 14, 7, 5, 6. En gang til. Do it one more time. So here we read 14, 14 instead of en, 1, 4, 4. 9, 0, 8, 14, 7, 5, 6. So now that you know the numbers, it will be also easier for you the next time you go to the shop, pharmacy, etc. in Norway. When you line up, you will understand what is said and know when it's your turn. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no nlsnorwegian.no